English words for everyday life. Weather and nature. Sun season. Rain spring. Cloud summer. Sky autumn. Wind winter. Storm tree. Snow flower. Fog plant. Rainbow leaf. Thunder grass. Lightning mountain. Hot river. Warm lake. Cool sea. Cold beach. Sunny forest. Cloudy field. Rainy desert. Windy nature. Stormy weather. Health and body. Health pain. Doctor hurt. Nurse sick. Hospital tired. Clinic health. Medicine strong. Pill weak. Tablet clean. Syrup dirty. Injection eye. Thermometer nose. Bandage mouth. Headache ear. Fever hand. Cough arm. Cold leg. Sore throat foot. Stomachache head. Toothache hair. Backache face.